This is my friend Tyagu who has bought a new Samsung gear. And he's excited.
Long time wish to have Samsung gear.
So he can't wait to go home and open it. So this is the Frontier black version. Now it's very cheap. And recently there is some sale going on, so he has got it very cheap now. Yes, here it is. Yes, same. So that's the wireless charger. And when you open, you have some bush, and when you open that, you have the charger, the wired one to connect to the wireless charger. And then there is the manuals.
Smooth strap.
Yay, you got an extra strap. I didn't get this. Or maybe it's there, I didn't check it.
And then manual.
Yeah, manual. And there is a warranty also in that. Yeah, I know, I have seen it. That's good.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Pretty big box. So that's it, the unboxing of Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. So Tyagu, how are you feeling?
Very excited to have Samsung.
This particular model, actually it looks like just like a watch. You know, it you can use it, you can even change the strap. So you get many different variety of straps in Souq.com for something like 20 dirhams to 40-50 dirhams. It's not focusing. Okay. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Congratulations.